So I realized last video got cut off. So let's do that front one again, but this time on the passenger side. The idea is the same. Just match up the edge to the top corner, and you get it started. And the top one seems to be, just watch out for this, right? I keep doing this, which is not the right thing to do. I keep pushing the top, which gets this thing slamming back. So try not to do that when you're doing yours. But what we're going to do is, at least this one, it wasn't that tight. I could push it in with my hands, just get it started. But the idea is the same. You're going to hold it, right? And you see how when you hold it and you push it in, it follows the curvature of the door. That's what I was saying, that it's going to feel weird when you get started. But it all works itself out. So I'm going to try to do this. Again, light taps. Not the easiest thing to do, but not the hardest either. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to let that back one stay back so it doesn't. Nope, no two ways about it. Let's try that. Well, that's another way to do it. You start in the bottom, start in the top, and you meet in the middle versus going down from top to bottom. That was actually a better trick. And just make sure you tap it in. It's nice and tight. Do not want to get this thing. There you have it. That's it.